Morning, welcome to my channel. Today I'm at the Attenborough Nature Reserve, which is run by the Nottinghamshire Wildlife Trust. It's in between Nottingham and Derby, just inside the Nottinghamshire border. Popular place, very popular with walkers, nature lovers, and also cyclists, runners, joggers, dog walkers. Dog walkers, yeah. What's all? It's a nature reserve. Many a time on here, I've seen them coming round in spring, dogs off lead. Signs all over the place that you could keep them in check. Oh, some grebes. And on the lead and on the path at all times. Sometimes I tell people, when I do, 2 times out of 10, you're sorry, and put the dogs on the lead. 3 out of 10, they just ignore you. 5 out of 10, they just give you abuse. F off, I do what I want. But anyway, it's a big place, lots to cover. And I've heard reports that there's a Glossy Ibis somewhere on here, but I've only just started, so I'll be looking out for that. So, let's do it. So as you see, we have a wide variety of birds here. Ducks, geese, swans, coots and moorhens. Little widgeon. Well, we're just sitting down having a bit of a breather, a cup of tea, and just been talking to an old guy in the Kingfisher High. The Glossy Ibis today is nowhere to be seen, so we'll give up on that, but I'll still walk around. But he has seen quite a few things like green woodpeckers, female stone chats he's caught, pathway just down the road here, and I'm going to do that, which then takes me onto a circular route. So let's see what we can find. This is one of many paths that run through the reserve. This one always deserves a bit of a slow walk. There's a lot of coverage for birds. This is where we get, normally, lots of spring migrants like warblers, reed warblers, sedge warblers, willow warblers, Chetty's warbler every year, and sometimes a grasshopper warbler. Now this fellow who was in the old hide, today it was down this path that you saw the stone chats. So I'm giving a bit of a good scan around here to see what I can see. And we're coming up to the tower hide. I don't know if you can just see it on there. Very prone to being vandalised. It's been burnt, they've had oil thrown at it, things like that. Yeah, what some people do, eh? Some of the baths are just a joy to walk through. For me, that is. There's something I like about trees, wooded areas. Kind of a cosy, I was just sorry, but looking at kind of a cosy, sort of like inviting place for me. Especially when you're this time of year with the leaves dropping and the sunlight can get through and give you dappled light. That is just, there we go, just amazing to see. So let's walk a bit. We're coming up to one of many viewpoints over the ponds and marshes and wetlands. Attenborough Nature Reserve really deserves a couple of days, full days, to get around it all and get the feel of it and see all the things that are on here. I'm only here for a few hours, so maybe another day I'll do a complete tour for you. So let's just enjoy the view. Well, this was going to be my last call at this Delta hide, which is a fair trog from the car park, so, you know, make sure it's open next time I come to it. It's locked. So we'll be heading back now, leisurely pace, alongside the river. Well, that's the end of my short tour of Attenborough Nature Reserve. Not a lot happening today, but it was a nice walk anyway. Please subscribe and tap the bell to get notifications of more videos that I produce. But in the meantime, thank you for watching and cheerio.